guys, welcome back to my kitchen. It's Frog here once again, and today I'm going to show you how to cook a very traditional British dish. It's called spotted dick. Yeah, that's right, spotted dick. And I'm going to be cooking it in this. It's my faithful Tefal pressure cooker. The spots refer to the currants that are in the pudding, and the dick part, I think, refers to the pudding itself. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you enjoy this video, and give it a thumbs up and comment down below. That'd be great. So let's not muck about anymore. Let's crack on with this pudding. We're going to need 250 grams of suet, 80 grams of caster sugar, the zest only of one whole orange, 180 grams of currants or raisins, 250 grams of self-raising flour, 150 millilitres of whole milk, and 1 pinch of table salt. So let's begin. We take a very large bowl. In there we put all of our ingredients. The flour, the salt, the sugar, everything. Chuck it all in. This is a really easy, simple recipe. There, chuck in those currants or raisins, whichever you prefer to use. Put them in. Grate in the zest from the orange. This gives it a really extra flavour. Now we'll give this a really comfortable stir around. Don't know if that's quite a word to use, but seemed alright at the time. Then we can put in the milk. Now we're going to stir this together until we get a really nice, sort of slightly sticky dough. If you don't think that's enough milk, put a little bit more in, but don't overdo it, because you can't take the milk back out, can you? Till it looks like this. This is about right. There we go. Beautiful. Take our basin. Give this a real good buttering all the way round. Don't miss any, otherwise you'll find your pudding's going to stick on there. We don't want a sticky pudding sticking on a basin, do we? So pop in all your mixture. Tuck that all in, and when you've got it all in, we're going to just sort of level it off best you can. And I find the easiest thing to use is a fork. So there we go, in with the last dollop. Chuck that in, spread it around, then again do it the best you can, tuck it in around those little edges. And when that's all done, we can seal it with some baking paper. Now here I've got the baking paper, and can you see I put like a little pleat in it, like a fold. That's to allow for the pudding to swell up as it cooks, which it will do. Now for the tricky bit, I've got to try and get a bit of stream out in there. That's never easy when you're on your own. Do the best you can. That's to keep any moisture out, so your pudding doesn't get too wet while it's cooking away in the pressure cooker. There's my Tefal pressure cooker. And in we go to the bottom with this little trivet, and I'm going to put a litre of water in. In that goes. Then I can put this little tray in, that goes on the top of there, followed by the pudding. Lift that gently in. Now I'm going to cook this on the sort of vegetable setting for about 30 to 40 minutes, whatever you think best. 35 minutes worked perfectly for me, and it came out really good. So here it is. Just be careful you don't burn yourself taking it out. Put it on the work surface, just got to take its coat off. Loosen it up around the edge. It did tend to stick a little bit, but not too much, not major. Turn it out onto a plate, and there you have it. I'm well pleased with that. Just got to cut a slice. Don't forget guys, please try this recipe for yourself. Traditional British spotted dick. So simple, so easy, been around for hundreds of years I guess. And look at that, moist in the middle and so tasty. Can't resist it. You know what, I've got to have a slice. So let's give this pudding a try. There it is, it's got custard on it. Got to have some custard, hasn't it? Mmm. Very tasty. Please try this recipe for yourself. It's not difficult, it's very easy. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.